Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you about complete background verification process of TCS and also required documents for TCS NQT background verification. So this video is very important for you and also those who don't have any documents. So you should have to apply immediately. I will tell you the documents. What are the required documents for TCS. So before going to this video, if anyone not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe and click the bell icon also. Then only you will receive my videos in the form of notification. And like and share this video. If you have any doubts related to any video, just comment in comment box. So now I will share required documents. First one is NSR IT pin. What is NSR IT pin? NSR IT pin means National Skill Registry. So NSR is a website where you have to upload your all documents and generate the pin. So it is paid, not free. You should have to pay 400, 600, 1200 like that. Then only IT pin will be generated. So TCS should require NSR IT pin. Present it is not required, so you can generate your NSR pin after 1 month or 2 months maybe. And I will upload the video about NSR pin, so total explanation about NSR pin in next video. Present I will keep this topic aside. So other required documents are very important. One is birth certificate, address proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, ID proof, 10th grade, mark sheets and medical certificate, non-criminal affidavit and additional certificates if you have any. So these are the required documents for TCS NQT background verification process. So to start the background verification process, you have to go to the TCS portal. So when you got the offer letter, after here you can see many options like ILP corner, background verification check, certificate details. All the details you should have to fill in background verification process. So one more important point is background verification process is you can also upload before joining the TCS 15 days before. So it is not an immediate process. You can upload anytime. It is not immediate task. So that's why even after 6 months also you can upload the background verification process if in case your joining date is not received. So background verification process will not cause any joining date. Even the not submitting of background verification process, you will receive the joining date. So after receiving the joining date, before 15 days of joining, you should have to submit the background verification. So it will not cause any problem to your joining. So that is the important point. So the background verification process have different steps. So all the steps I will explain in this video. So this is complete BCG process. So I will explain everything. Before that I will tell you what are the required documents. One is address proof. You have to upload address proof here, and Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport I already said, graduation mark sheets and also medical certificate here. This is very important. Other qualification certifications, additional certifications, non-criminal affidavit. This is important. These are the important documents for TCS background verification. Now I will tell you what you should have to do and what you do not do in this process. First, it is saying there are some important instructions are given here. The form is divided into three sections. One is basic details, your personal details, and also academic other details, and a declaration form. So field marked star, whatever the fields that is marked with this star, so all the sections are mandatory, and some details entered in the TCS application form will be displayed in the form. So here they are saying that whatever the details you have filled when you have applied for TCS, so some of the details will be displayed automatically in the basic details and academic details. If you want to change the details, you can change. If in case there is no edit option, then you have to mail the support mail is given here. Then you have to mail for a TCS NQT. So this is a process, and also you should have to save the details and navigate to the next screen. So one of the most important point here is don't submit, click the submit button. Don't click the submit button. Again and again I'm saying don't click the submit button. Only you have to click the save button or save continue button. If you click the submit button, everything will be submitted. So there is no other options to edit. So whenever you completed all the details and whenever you uploaded all the documents, then only you have to click the submit button. Otherwise don't click the submit button, because the many students did not got any certificates yet. So that's why you have to click the save and continue button. No need to click the submit button now. You can click the submit button before 5 days of joining also. There is no problem with that. And now I will tell you next process. Here they are asking personal details. So you should have to check your personal details. Already automatically fills some things, your date of birth and also your email ID. Next one is PAN card and passport. PAN card and passport is very important for TCS. So TCS, do you have PAN card or not? You should have to click the yes. And also permanent account number. So permanent account number means your account number. You should have to enter your account number. And also, do you have a passport? So passport means many of you already know. Passport is asking many number of MNC companies. So you should have to apply immediately if you don't have. So you can click yes or no. If you don't have, click and apply immediately option also there. And the next one is present address. You have to enter your present address here. And next one is permanent address. Whatever the data which is related to your address is permanent, all the data you should have to enter here. Your long stay means last 7 years address is same as your permanent address. If your last 7 years address is same as permanent address, just click yes, otherwise no. And next one is background check form. So in the background check form, there are having academic details, reference details, security details, other details. First one is graduate details. In graduate details, you have to enter your graduation year and graduation college and course name. All the details will be filled here. And also here are given CGPA and marks. If you did any mistake in TCS for application form, like CGPA or marks are entered wrong, so you can enter correctly in this portal. You should have to check once again each and every step whether it is correct or not, because if any mistake is done, that will lead to problem in future. So please carefully fill the form, each and every details. And next one is asking reference details. So you have to fill at least two reference details here. And here it is saying, so relations should not be your relatives and also friends. So don't give the details about your relatives and friends. You can give your faculty members details also here. Security details means if you are involved in any criminal cases or any malpractice and indiscipline activities, then you have to enter, then you have to click the yes, otherwise no. So most of the students will click no. So that's why this option is no. And next one is if you click any option is yes, then you have to upload the document related to that criminal and other malpractice civil like that. And next one is this other details. They are asking about if any change in your name, just click yes, otherwise click no. And also asking about NSR e-card. This is very important e-card. So I will tell you about NSR e-card in next video. Why we require NSR e-card is we should have to apply for when we are joining the TCS NQT. NSR e-card is National State Registry. Basically, NSR is a website. It can verify all our information related to documents and permanent addresses, all those, and academic details. All will be verified from the government. Then it will generate one OTP for us. That OTP is called as IT employer OTP. This OTP will be generated applying after 2 days. So this IT employer OTP is important for IT employees. That will any company will trust you easily. So background, due to this NSR e-card, the background verification will be done immediately, and also joining date will be issued very fastly. So these are the benefits which are included through NSR e-card. That's why I am saying you that apply if you did not have any NSR e-card. So I will tell you complete process in the next video. And the next important one is declaration form. So you have to click the agree for all the instructions and also enter the date and also place where you are from, and submit the BGC form. After submitting the BGC form, your BGC form, if you want to edit any information from the BGC form, just click here and here it will show so 4 steps. One step is already done. Second step, BGC form, that is we are completed just now. And next one is you should have to upload the documents. So to upload the documents, I already said required documents for background verification process. Here they are asking address proof. So you can upload any one of the document from the above given options: passport, ration card, Aadhaar card, driving license, LIC policy, your bank statements also there, debit card, credit card, all are there. So most of the students will choose the option is called Aadhaar card, and also bank account book. So these are the options will choose by the students, and also ration card also there. So you can upload any one from the above. If your permanent address and present address is same, just click the yes, and also you should have to submit the proof here. So that is about ration card, Aadhaar card, or like that. And also they are asking to upload your Aadhaar card. You should click here and upload the Aadhaar card. And next one is related to PAN card. So they are asking copy of original document. So they are asking the copy or original document. So you can upload through this button. And also passport copy of original documents. So if you don't have any copy, you should have to upload the passport application report from the website. So passport is generated after 1 month. If you did not have any passport, then you have to upload the passport receipt from the online. So by clicking this button. So that is about the passport. And next one is you should have to fill the first sem, second sem, and up to 8th sem. So you can upload your graduation mark sheet at any time. Whatever the availability of documents are there, you can upload the documents that are allowed. And next one is medical certificate. This medical certificate is very important. You should have to sign your medical certificate with the doctor. And also page number 2, a document is signed by the doctor. I will tell you how to download the medical certificate, and also how to sign in with the doctor. And also if you have other qualification, you can upload your documents. If you have any additional certifications, you can upload like cyber security, and also other related minor courses. All the courses will be, you can upload here. If you don't have any criminal cases like malpractice and other type of cases, then you have to upload the no criminal activities. You should have to note this point. This no criminal activity will be activated before 15 days of joining date. So this is only activated before 15 days of joining date. I will tell you how to upload the no criminal activity also. After the completion of every document, it will give tick marks. And the next one is medical certificate. To fill this medical certificate, you have to go to the hospital and near your doctor. So enter all the details, your name and last name, and also gender, date of birth, and also contact number, blood group if you know. And here asking photo, your photo, and attach your photo, and sign in with the doctor name here. So like that you have to do the process. And also here everything asking about your medical tests. So here they are asking you do you have any eye problems, and also disturbance in the color, red green color problems, and also do you suffer from degree deafness, is you have any deafness like that. So everything you can put no. If you don't have, if you have, just put yes. And also please provide the other details. If you have, you have to write the how you got like that. So how to download this medical certificate. So to download this medical certificate, you should have to go to the TCS portal. After getting the offer letter, you will receive the portal left side like this. So in this there are having ILP corner. So when you click the ILP corner, you will easily download the medical certificate. And also other option is also there. If you go to the website of online websites, there are also available. If you type in browser like TCS medical certificate, so there you can get the medical certificate easily. So that is also one of the another way. And the next one is no criminal affidavit. So no criminal affidavit means if you don't have any criminal cases on you, so then you should have to upload the no criminal affidavit. To generate this no criminal affidavit, you have to go to the court or near your advocate lawyer. So here there are having form. This form is generally TCS format. So you should have to download from somewhere. Present I don't have this form. If I see anywhere about this form, I will upload it. So don't worry. And also here they are asking many details. You have to fill each and every details clearly, and also government stamp also there. And here they are having advocate or sign. And next one is about same as birth certificate who are generated the NCA. You can also generate your birth certificate from there only. So here you have to enter your birth details and also place, name of the father, mother name, all the details you should have to enter in birth certificate. And so if you have any doubts related to medical certificates and also no criminal affidavit and also birth certificates, please comment in comment box. I will definitely reply for your comment and also give clarity about that. If you did not understood, please watch my video again, then you can understand clearly. So this is complete process which is behind the background verification process. So it is not an immediate process. You can upload your documents and your details any time. Before joining you should have to submit. So please remember, you just have to click the save and continue button. Don't click the submit button. If you click the submit button, that will lead to problem. So don't click submit button, only click save button and save and continue button. So that is complete information from the my side. And if you have any doubts, comment in comment box. And also if you like my videos, if any information from my channel is informative, please try to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon also. And then only you will receive my videos in the form of notification. And like and share this video. If you have any doubts related to any video, just comment in comment box. Thank you.